Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got the Orzly Retro Console Bag. This is the one-size-fits-all travel bag for all your retro mini consoles. It's fully compatible with the Sega Genesis, NES, SNES and PlayStation Mini. The bag is made from a lightweight, hard-wearing material and features hand and shoulder straps for easy use in carrying. The front has a plain understated design with a small logo. It also features 2 zip pockets, great for storing small items that you might need quick access to, like keys, a charging cable, or some earbuds. Open up the case and you're greeted with a large compartment, split into 3 sections, giving you a dedicated storage for your console and 2 controllers. Each of the sections is padded so you can be confident that your precious retro console is safe. We created this bag because we wanted you to have a hassle-free, universal way of carrying your retro console safely, rather than having to get a specific bag or case for each one. Unlike some hard cases, when it's not in use, you can compress the bag and pack it away easily. So, a versatile, lightweight travel bag with an understated design, perfect for carrying whichever retro console you want with you safely. What more could you want? Available now from Orzly.com and Amazon. Links to buy as always are down below. And keep it locked to Orzly and all our socials for all the best gaming and retro console accessories. Thanks for watching.